Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Colmi C8 Max Smartwatch, and still, this video is for our new section, the accuracy test of the step counter of the wearable. And in our device here, in our test device, we do have the Colmi C8 Max Smartwatch. So we counted the steps, at least 1000 steps, and compare it with our C8 Max smartwatch. So what is the result for our pedometer? Is it accurate or not? We also check the heart rate and the distance as well as the time, and compared it with our Huawei Smart Band 9, and of course our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So let's see the result for our C8 Max, Colmi C8 Max Smartwatch Step Counter Pedometer Test. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so we have here our Colmi C8 Max. We try the pedometer, the step counter, and we do have here the record. We have our walking here, 0.82 kilometers. Okay, almost 1 kilometer here. We have 10 minutes and 1 seconds for the duration. And as you can see, out of 1000 steps, we do have 999 steps. It's almost the same with the results. Okay, almost perfect, as you can see here. We do have a 58 calories and 141 beats per minute. Okay, so the beats per minute here is much higher compared to our other devices. 0.82 distance for the kilometer. Okay, so these are the details. We do have a light. Seems like it categorized the exercise as aerobic. As you can see here, we do have a 141 beats per minute. Later I'm going to show you the graph and the table for this data compared with other devices. Okay, again, we do have the 10 minutes, 999 steps for the heart, 1000 steps that we have, 58 calories burned, and 141 beats per minute, 0.82 kilometers for the distance. And for the result, okay, workout records, we do have 72 kilometers, 0.72, almost the same with the time here, 10 minutes and 7 seconds, 0.0 milliseconds. Okay, do have 1013 steps. Okay, and what else do we have here? 105 beats per minute for the heart rate, so much higher for our Colmi C8 Max smartwatch. I guess the steps is accurate. Seems like the average heart rate here is much higher. Okay, the same with the result here. Okay, much higher compared to our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. We have the walking activity here, 10 minutes and 06 milliseconds here. Okay, 6 seconds, not milliseconds but seconds, 6 seconds. We have 38 calories, 105 average heart rate, 998 steps, almost the same with our Colmi C8 Max smartwatch. Very good. For the heart rate, average heart rate here, where's our average heart rate? 102. Oh no, that is not. We have here 105, as you can see. 105 beats per minute, while ours here is 141. So very different from our two wearables when it comes to the heart rate monitoring. But for the step counter, the C8 Max do have a almost perfect, almost the same record, just one step less than the actual count of 1000. And for the time, 10 minutes and 1 second. So very good result for the duration and the time, as well as the steps. The heart rate is a bit off, I think, for the average heart rate for our C8 Max. So we have here the graph and the tables. Check it out. Here is a table for the total step count of the C8 Max Smartwatch. For our first test, we almost have a perfect count with 999 out of our 1000 steps. This is very good for the C8 Max Smartwatch. While for our second test, it has more than 7 plus 7 to the actual test count of 1000. But still, it is very good for the C8 Max Smartwatch and not good for the Huawei Band 9. Here's the graph. 998 for the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 for our first test, 999 for the C8 Max Smartwatch, and Huawei Band 9 with more than 1000 steps. Then the next graph is all about the calories burned. Okay, so we have here, although they almost have the same results with the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, I wonder why it has 58 calories burned here compared to the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 with only 38 and Huawei Band 9 with only 42. I don't know if what type of algorithm does the C8 Max smartwatch uses when it comes to calories. The same with the heart rate. Okay, it's more than 141 or more than 105. While for the Huawei Band 9 and Xiaomi Smart Band 9, they have the same heart rate monitoring. This is very accurate for the Huawei Band 9 and the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So we have here the graph or the table, for all of the data. Okay, so it's off for the heart rate again for our C8 Max smartwatch, but for the steps it's okay.